So, hi guys! And so, welcome back. And so, before anything else, we are going to announce anything. And so, I would like to grab this opportunity to thank you lahat ng mga taga-TFP na nagstay. And though, parang nalungkot yung ating group. And sumabay sa kalungkutan natin, etc. And so, by the way, ayan, so babalik na ulit. Ayan, be happy na lang ulit. Ayan, so be professional, sabi nga nila. Ayan, so sana I'll be professional. So, ayan guys, ayan, I want to make sure na magtuloy-tuloy na to. Hindi na matutulog yung ating GC. And of course, I would like to say big thank you to Ate Tian for always being there and to handle the group. And so, hindi naman dahil sa kanya, hindi pa rin, I think hindi kakapit yung mga members sa ating GC. So, thank you so much, Ate Kian. And to all mga content creator, mga YouTubers, and mga members sa ating GC. And so, I really appreciate yung mga ginawa nyo sa ating mga pa-contest, and I'm so sorry for keep you all guys waiting, and I want to make sure that everything will be settled soon. Then yun, hintayin nyo lang, magtiwala lang kayo sa akin, okay? We will be settling soon. Yun, lala nyo na ako, hindi ko kayo iiwanan, nandito lang ako. Then yun, tiwala lang kayo sa akin. Yan lang yung masasabi ko. And congratulations. Pasensya na kayo, parang nakalimutan ko ng mag-vlog. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga sinasabi ko today. But anyways, ayan. So, congratulations TGFP. And please, ayan, stay, remain. And spread natin yung grupo natin. And sabay-sabay tayong continue kung ano yung nasimulan natin. Please, let's not waste yung mga pinaghirapan natin from day 1 till now. Ayan. So, ma-achieve din natin yung kahit unti-unti at least nag-move forward yung sinimulan natin. Diba? So, ayan guys. So, hopefully hilain nyo din kami pataas. Especially yung mga mga sobrang active sa YouTube. Ayan. So, ayan guys. And yun, thank you for trusting me. Thank you for always being there for me, and especially dun sa mga ganyan na hi. But anyways, ayan, so I'm so proud of you guys, and so love na love ko kayo, hindi ko kayo iwanan. Upside down, rain or shine, ayan, andito lang ako. Ayan, so go and let's fight. Kaya natin to. Ayan. Okay, so I love you guys and congratulations ulit. Okay? Ingat kayo lagi dyan.